This week in 1903, Ernest Fenning, a dentist from Chicago, became the proud owner of a Model A automobile when the Ford Motor Company sold its first car. In 1925 this week, station 2XAG in Schenectady, New York, became the first radio station in the U.S. to broadcast with a 50,000-watt transmitter. The station, soon known as WGY Radio, was able to broadcast with 50,000 watts since it was owned by the General Electric Company, a company that knew a thing or two about watts. In 1949, the de Havilland Comet, the world's first jet-powered airliner, earned its wings as it took to the sky for its first flight. In 1962, this week, the Telstar communications satellite sent the first live TV broadcast to Europe.
I understand that part of today's press conference is being relayed by the Telstar communications satellite to viewers across the Atlantic, and this is another indication of the extraordinary world in which we live.
And this week in 1963, SYNCOM-2, the world's first geosynchronous satellite, was launched from Cape Canaveral on a Delta B booster. That's our look back at This Week in Tech History, brought to you by IFA in Berlin.
IFA, the Global Innovations Show. 6,000 media representatives, 2,600 from abroad. It's IFA time. Meet the official partner of the future in Berlin.
Be sure to check out our site anytime at intotomorrow.com. Check our free podcast while you're there, the many posts on our site, and we'll catch you next time on This Week in Tech History.